Hey there, amazing action taker. Welcome back to day 45 of our 90-day confidence to cash sprint. And today I'm super excited to share something that could be a total game changer for you. You're diving into affiliate income, one of the simplest ways to start earning online. And here's what makes it so special. You don't need to create anything. You just need to share what's already working for you and get paid for helping others succeed. Whenever I first started my online journey, I was completely clueless about affiliate. I thought it meant becoming one of those pushy salespersons not nobody wants to hear from. But I couldn't have been more wrong. Affiliate income is actually just about sharing things that you genuinely love and use. Think about it like this. How many times have you told a friend about an amazing book that you read and that life-changing app you discovered? That's exactly what affiliate marketing is, except now you earn a commission when someone decides to try it based on your recommendation. What makes it so powerful is that it's probably the easiest way to start generating income online, especially if you're just beginning and you don't even have any of your own products yet. But here's the golden rule. Only recommend things that you truly believe in. Your authenticity is your superpower, and people can absolutely tell when you're being genuine with them. So let's turn this into action. Here's what I really want to do for you today. First, grab a piece of paper, write down 3 products, programs, or tools that have made a real difference in your life or business. These could be anything from your favorite productive app to an online course that transforms your skill. Next, do a quick search to see if these products have an affiliate program, and trust me, most of them do. If you're part of a community, you already know this is the detail in the bundle pack where we will show multiple streams of affiliate income all in one place. Once you find the program that you like, sign up, get your unique link, and create one of the simplest posts why you love it. Here's the template that works really good. I've been using this and it's helped me. If you've been struggling with, this could really exactly be what you need. Keep it real, keep it simple, and share it from your heart. Remember, you're not here to sell, you're just here to serve. And when you focus genuinely on helping people find solutions to their problems, the income naturally flows. Think of yourself as a trusted friend sharing recommendations, not a salesperson being pushing products. That's the beautiful thing about affiliate income. It's all about creating value through authentic connections. So now, here's our day 45 challenge. Choose one product or program you absolutely love and create a piece of content, whether it's a post, a story, or a quick video. Share your unique and genuine experience with it. Make sure you download Day 45 worksheet below. It's packed with everything that you need to identify your best affiliate opportunities and craft a story-based content that connects and it converts. And then drop a light bulb in the comments if this opened your eyes to the possibilities of affiliate income. Stay tuned for day 46. It's going to be incredible as we explore and transform communities into sustainable monthly income streams. I can't wait to see you there.